Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video of our trip to Scotland, you'll find us leaving Fort William and heading over to the beautiful Isles of Skye.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
That's when they was there, right,
Yeah, it's the one that, the highest tip. So it's not often you can see. Didn't he say it was in the background behind those?
Yeah, but we were down in the village then. That was it.
Okay.
That was the one there, I think. There's one of those up there anyway.
Just pulled over. We've left this morning from our campsite in Fort William. We're hoping to head over to the Isle of Skye. And we wanted a white Christmas. We had a white Christmas overnight. So we're now Boxing Day morning and the mountains are full of snow. And it looks absolutely incredible. Just beautiful.
The Commando Memorial is a Category A listed monument in Lochaber in Scotland dedicated to the men of the original British Commando forces raised during World War II. Situated around a mile from Speen Bridge, it overlooks the training areas of the Commando training depot which were established in 1942. It was unveiled in 1952 by the Queen Mother. It is one of Scotland's best known monuments, both as a war memorial and a tourist attraction.
Why people say they fall in love with Scotland, can't
you? Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
87.
Oh, we've seen our first Highland cows.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
This is just the girls, Binnaby.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Jim, putting a travelling Taffs sticker on here. We've got a Scott and Laura, Max Bouting. Cool, it's a bit bloody chilly, and the travelling Taffs. this is just the most incredible, breathtaking scenery I think I have ever seen. We wanted snow, and what we've got is snow and snow and snow. It's a bit nippy, I think. I should have my coat on out here, to be honest. So peaceful as well. Right, I'm going to get back in before I freeze myself to death.
unfortunately the weather that afternoon and evening was absolutely abysmal. It was chucking it down. So we didn't really get to see all that was in Portree, but here's a couple of pictures what it would look like in the sunshine. We did, however, find a cracking little pub called the Isles Inn, where we enjoyed a few beers before heading back to the camper.
This is the little village of Carbost, where we believe there's a market and a pub. Quite a pretty little drive again. This is tonight's park up in a little place called Carbost, I think it was. It's got a little pub up the road. This is on the end of a harbour. £10 a night in an honesty box, which of course we'll be doing because we appreciate the fact that they let us back here. And there's a great little pub, and it's by the Talisker distillery as well. It's basically parked up on the side, and this is our view. It's not a great day today, but hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit nicer. We can get out in the morning, do a bit of filming. So, where are we?
We're in the dry, to be honest. We're in the old inn in Carbost.
The old inn, the new inn?
Old inn.
The inn somewhere in
Definitely old inn.
in Carbost, somewhere like that. Cracking park up on the harbour,
On the front of the lock.
which we were quite settled with, right on the shore, until some bloke came along and said you might want to move back there. The wind's going to pick up tonight, so we have moved, being a bit sensible.
We would have been fine, but the drop was Joe's side of the bed, and she was a bit worried then.
Yeah, not happening. I don't think I'd sleep very well if we stayed there. Morning peeps. Today we are in Carbost on the Isle of Skye. We stayed down on the harbour. We were allowed to stay for £10 a night. But not only can you stay for £10 a night, you have got toilet and shower facilities, which are excellent. When you enter, you've got to use your card, contactless card, 50p to open the door. And then when you go in, there's 3 shower blocks, there's ladies, men's and disabled, and toilets. So yeah, well worth £10 to be honest, just to be able to have a shower for £1. So yeah, I think we're moving. Oh, opposite us we've got the Talisker distillery. Haven't actually gone in there because I don't like whiskey. Tim likes it, but we're going to give that one a miss. I'm feeling a bit rough. I'm not going to film me today because I've got a problem with one tooth, which has flared up, and my face is swollen up, and I look a little bit like, well, I don't know, looks like someone's giving me a clout or something. Swollen face, it's not a good look.
Yet again, we didn't have great weather whilst we were on the Isle of Skye. We did enjoy driving around and seeing the beautiful views, but unfortunately we didn't really get to do a lot down to the weather. So we've put a few pictures on here of where we went, just to let you see what it is like when the sun shines.
Heading towards Loch Ness to start with.
Community shop.
Oh yeah, Carbost community shop there. You can see that. See, it's a great little stop. There's not a massive amount here, but the weather was awful, so we just wanted to find somewhere to park up with a pub, to go out for an hour or two, have a couple of drinks, chill out, speak to people, and be able to... Where? Oh yeah.
Waiting for someone.
Waiting for someone. Yeah. Farmer down there probably. So yeah, we just wanted someone to bunker up for the night, safe, out of the winds, and it was great. £10, as I say, the showers, 50p to get in, £1 to shower for 2 minutes, and it was ideal. So.
Live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Not quite sure where we are, but have a little look. Some nice rapids coming down here. Snow-capped mountains in the distance. Quite nice. Shame about the rain. Statues up here. Quite sure who they are. Look out the mountains. The stream goes past.
From here, we headed up past Loch Ness, a quick stopover over in Inverness, before heading up to Aviemore, where we'll catch you in the next video.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.